In this video, I will show you how to change account region in League of Legends. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to change a region, you actually need to do this via the Riot Games website. So if you open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to account.riotgames.com, and then what you want to do is sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on a page like this, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come across this menu on the left-hand side and click onto Personal Information. In here, you're going to find your current country or region. So for myself, that's actually Great Britain. You can see that's in the country region box here. To go ahead and change your account region, what you want to do is come up and click onto support up here. Once you're on the right support page, what you want to do is scroll down the page to the bottom and you're going to see the different games here. So what you want to do is click onto League of Legends from here. Then from here to change your account region, just scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page and you're going to see a red button to submit a ticket. So what you want to do is give that a click. That's going to take you to a form like this. So it says, first of all, choose a request type. What you want to do is click onto this box. And you want to click onto the option which says account management, data requests or deletion. Once you've done that, the page is going to refresh. It might ask you to log in if you're not already logged in. So you want to do that first. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to a form like this, and it's going to say what platform are you requesting assistance with. So you just want to select whether that's PC, Xbox or PlayStation. And then in these subjects, basically you want to put change region. That's going to ask to select your inquiries. So in this box, you want to give it a click and click onto account management. Then you're going to see another box saying to select your inquiry, give that a click. And if you scroll down on this option, you're going to see one which says need help changing region of residence or country assigned to account. So we can go ahead and give that a click. Now, at this point, you're going to get a box come up saying about updating your region of residence. So it says, if you feel like your region of residence is listed incorrectly, we can help. Follow the flow below to check if your region of residence is accurate or able to be updated. So what you need to do is click onto this red check button here. It's just going to take a minute or two to process through. And it's going to tell you your current region of residence. Now, if you want to change that, of course, you can put a message in the description. So whether, for example, you've moved country or something like that, you just basically want to put that into the description box here. And when you've completed this form, just make sure to come down and click the red submit button. So it takes about 48 hours for a response, but what's going to happen is Riot Games is going to give you a response to their email, which is linked to your account. And they're going to tell you whether it's going to be possible to update your region of residence or not. And of course take you through the steps to get that updated for you. So that is how to change account region in League of Legends. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.